it's me, Angeli, of Angeli Moon's channel. So for today, guess what? What I have here, I have 2 feeds for the duck and for the sheep. So right now, we're currently at the Old Grove Farm. And I really don't know where this is located. I think this is located somewhere here in Batangas. Kasi guys, nakatulog ako sa van kasi alam nyo na, super puyat tayo. Galing from charity, from work, from shift, and then nag-charity kahapon. And then ngayon naman, dito naman tayo sa Batangas. So medyo jet lag. Medyo pagod-pagod na tayo. No? I have the feeds here for the duck and the feeds here for the ship. So this is like 100 pesos. And then the entrance here is 450 pesos. And then the tour fee is like 1,000 pesos. So yeah, that's it. So later on, I'm excited. I don't know what I can see here, but based on the pictures, so maybe it's just like taking a good pictures of the red barn that we have here. Ayan. So as what you can see, I have the red barn, and then at my back here. Yep. So later on, we're going to take pictures in solo joiner lang tayo as always. Wala tayong kasama. So papakuha tayo kay Angel ng picture para may souvenir tayo dito. Update ko kayo later. Bye-bye! Hello, good morning. Guess where I am right now? I'm currently here at the Old Grove. So I'm with Jel and she's busy taking pictures. As always. Ayan. So what you can see, I have the red barn at my back and this one. Jel, anong tawag ba sa bahay na yan? Barn. Barn and then the barn with the LC. Okay guys, we're currently here. So hindi ko alam kung anong tawag doon sa nakikita nyo doon sa likod. But I know the red one, yun yung famous na red barn ng Old Grove. So mamaya magpapakain tayo ng ship and then ng duck. And yeah, lilibot ko kayo dito. So nandito tayo sa first stop. Nagpa-picture lang ako kay Zel kasi solo joiner tayo for today. So ayan, makikita nyo dito guys. If you wanna check it out, you can go here, but kailangan nyo pala magpa-reserve or make a call. So I will try to put the contact number para kung gusto nyo magpa-book, pwede nyong tawagan or pwede kayo magpa-reserve ng booking schedule. Ayan.
Oo. Yung naka-MBS na. Yung 450.
Nag-450 na. So this is the information office guys. If you're going here, I think this is where you're going to pay the entrance. And then you're going to confirm your booking or reservation. Ayan, there's some few groups here. And then we have some tours. Mga nagtutour na van yan for sure. Kasi kulay puti yung van. So, yan yung mga joiners. And then, yung mga motor na nakikita nyo, nagpapapicture sila dito sa may red barn. So, ayan siya. Okay.
Then,
saan ba yan?
sama sila, dito muna mo sila.
Ano ba yan? Prenup?
Okay.
Prenup. Prenup. PCC. Hello!
Ikaw yung...
I'm done taking
Before
pictures
maganda
at the Red Barn. And then, punta naman kami sa Pink House. Pink House. Pink kasi yung kulay eh. I'm with June, a joiner also. Solo joiner also in Angel. Ayan, Angel, hindi ka na daw nag-vlog. Nag-tour ka na lang daw, sabi ni na Ian. Kinalimutan mo na daw ang pag-vlog.
Iniisip ko ako mag-vlog ako ngayon eh. Kasi nag-vlog ka na.
Uy, grabe, pwede na. Grabe, ayun lang. Dahil na... Oo, eto, may mga lettuce. Sa pool daw kami pupunta, poolside. Okay. Medyo mainit lang.
Init? Maghapon, hindi mainit.
Oo.
Ang ganda.
So, right now, papakita ko sa inyo yung poolside dito sa loob ng Old Grove Farm. So, meron palang pool dito. Tapos sabi ni Jel, if you want to swim, how much? 800 pesos. And then yung accommodation, hindi namin pa alam kung magkano, pero I think meron din. So per head, if you wanna go on swimming, that's going to be 800 pesos. So pakita ko na sa inyo yung pool nila dito. Nandito na kami ni Angel. Nagulat si Angel. Ayan guys, so ito sa background ko yung pool dito sa Old Grove. So ang ganda niya, tapos nandito kami sa loob ng kabana. Ayan, o diba ang social. Meron pa silang pa white. Sige, linisin nyo yung pool ko. Charot. Maliligo ako. Ayan. So, this is the cabana side. And then, yun yung mga accommodation. Yung so, nakikita nyo doon. And yun si June. Nagsiselfie. Ayun siya. So, ang ganda dito. Pero siguro, ang ganda dito lalo kapag gabi. No?
May lights.
Kaya nga eh. Tapos, ang lamig pa kasi nga pagka ganitong open. Tapos, maraming puno.
Malamig na.
Malamig na. Ayan siya. So, that's it. This is the poolside. Ganda dito, lalo na kung magkakabarkada kayo. Pakita ko yung kabana ito. Ayan. So, nice, diba? Tapos, nakita ko dito, ang ganda ng table. Pakita ko sa inyo. Isuswitch ko yung camera ko. Meron ako nakakitang idea. Papagaya ko doon sa bahay sa San Pablo. Ito yung gusto kong tiles eh. Pakita ko sa inyo. Flip ko lang. Oo, ganito. Pero parang vinyl siya na sticker. Pero ang ganda. Parang kaya nga eh, parang ganito kasi yung gusto kong tile sa kusina. Parang Mexican
Iba-iba.
parang Moroccan yung style. Yan siya. Dito kami, tambay-tambay lang muna kami kasi busy pa sila doon sa tupa. Yung mga tupa busog na pagdating sa amin, di nakakain yun. PG.
Oo, pagkakaguluhan ka nun.
Okay guys, ito yung pool. Ganda rito. Siguro pagkagabi lalong maganda. Yan siya.
Ang ganda dito.
At the playground, Kids Corner. Yay! We're crossing the hanging bridge. Oh. 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 Uy ba? Mataas din pala to, nakakatakot. We're crossing the hanging bridge. Hello.
Nakaiyak na kayo?
Uy,
Dito pa lang, mag-isip yung oras ito.
ito yung ano, sheep. Oo. Ay, adala kita naka-private.
Mga kapuso, Carmina! Sana magkasama tayo dito. First time po, try natin ngayon. Lalapit ako sa inyo. Ay, ba't siya natanggal? Ay, lalagay. Sana naman bago tayo abutin ng 24 oras, nakapunta na ako dyan. Okay, that's 5. This is my first time. I hope naririnig nyo ako. Tama po ba? Ah, kapag ganun. Okay. Oh my God! Bakit?
Kasi kalit-kalit 7, 15 na lang sarap dito. Papasok mo naman sa TV.
Okay. Hindi ako makaalis.
Mama, huwag mo na lang buhatin. Huwag mo na lang buhatin ako, higay mo lang.
Ibababa mo. Ayun. Dali lang pala.
Parang nalangoy din.
Cute. Guys, hello, and this is going to be the last spot, and tapos na kami maglibot dito sa Old Grove Farm, and I hope guys na-enjoy nyo yung tour natin dito sa Old Grove. Yan, medyo umikot ako kasi hindi nyo ako makita. So that's it. What you can see here is that they do have a pond. Pwede kayong magpakain dito ng ship and ducks, and then they do have like a bridge, and then meron din ditong coffee shop. You can also do an overnight stay. Meron pala silang accommodation dito. And then the pool, nakita nyo kanina. And then the barn. So, ito palang barn na to is ginagamit for receptions, if you wanna book events place, something like that. So, ang team medyo may pagka-Netherlands yung team niya. So, that's it for today. So, I'm going to put in some details about how to reserve or make a reservation or how to contact them just in case you wanna book them. And sulit naman, medyo mahal kasi 450 pesos, and then medyo limited lang yung activities. If you wanna kung gusto nyo pakainin yung ducks at saka yung ship, ang init kasi guys, pasensya na. Yun, you're going to pay 100 pesos for the feeds. And that's it. Thank you so much. And this is going to be my Vlogmas Day 6. Thank you so much. We're going now to Sintay, still at Batangas. See you. Bye-bye.